अभी ही क्यों होना था, अभी तो निकला हूँ मैं।
तब हर जगह पंगे चलते थे, कपड़े,
जूते,
शरीर।
When I was holding the umbrella broke and flew away. Okay, more happened as rainy trauma.
Like even though I have the umbrella, mine is a bit more panicky. I'm like bag dike wo.
Manipal monsoon. It's not just rain, it's a whole experience. 1 minute you are walking normally, the next you are dodging puddles, protecting your phone and praying that your umbrella survives. So today, we are going to ask some fun monsoon questions, from rain struggles to lost umbrellas to comfort food, wet socks and all the rain trauma. So today, we are going to see how Manipal deals with the monsoon madness.
I am Arnav Roy from UP. I study exercise and sports science in MCHP.
What is the one thing that you cannot survive monsoon without?
I'll say umbrella.
Umbrella, raincoat or just acceptance?
I'll go for umbrella only. I'm a student, I carry it always. I have been here for last 4 years from 2022. I'll be done with my course within 20 days.
And what is that one advice you want to give people who want to survive the Manipal monsoon?
Enjoy the rain. Just भीगो अच्छे से, मजे करो, स्कूटी पे घूमो और संभाल के रहो.
Build your perfect monsoon survival kit in 5 items.
Okay, umbrella, Crocs, raincoats if you want, and polythene sheets to cover your laptops, and a leak-proof pen. That's it.
What is your go-to monsoon outfit?
I'll say shorts and tank tops because I'm too much obsessed with gym. It's tank tops and Crocs and shorts.
Do you carry an umbrella or just run?
Most of the time I just run, but yeah, there are sometimes I have an umbrella. I just look at the sky. Is it gonna rain? Otherwise, just run.
What is the first thing you do when it starts raining?
अभी ही क्यों होना था, अभी तो निकला हूँ मैं. That's it. Or just run to the point, or I'll find some shade.
And during monsoon times, do you check the weather app or you just get out of the house?
No, I just get out of the house.
Hello, I'm Chatrik and I am doing my MBBS here in KMC Manipal and I'm from Delhi.
What's your biggest monsoon struggle?
Going to the class, waking up every morning and when the water is still here every day. So that's the biggest struggle.
Have you ever slipped dramatically in the rain?
Slipped dramatically. I mean, yes, I have slipped dramatically. But again, it was a fun moment. Not something to go by.
Have you ever spent the whole day with wet socks?
Not with the wet socks, but yes, definitely with the wet clothes. During the first year time, like we didn't have the AC room, so yeah, used to go all day without it. It was good.
What is the most annoying part of monsoon?
I don't find monsoon annoying. Like it's very pleasant over here. It's sometimes icky to go out because we can't go out, but other than that, it's very pleasant.
How long have you been staying in Manipal?
It's almost been 4 years now.
What is your worst rain disaster that has happened? Any stories you want to tell about rain?
Rain disasters. I won't say that it was a disaster, rather it was a very fun trip. And it was in MIT. I explored the MIT campus when there was full rain around. So it was very scenic. It was almost kind of like I am traveling in some sort of a hill station or something, because there are some places over there that seem really beautiful. So I had some clicks of it.
Have you ever stepped into a puddle by mistake in Manipal?
Yes, definitely. There are so many of them sometimes when they don't repair them.
What is the most useless thing during heavy rain?
Not being able to go out and the room feels useless at those times.
A lot of fungus and all must be there.
Yes. But AC is for the rescue for us during that time, I guess.
If you could ban one monsoon problem forever, what would it be?
Going out, like that's a big problem, yeah. Other than that, everything is fine. Subscribe to their channel, Manipal Things. Let's go, yeah. तब हर जगह पंगे चलते थे, कपड़े,
जूते,
शरीर में भी फंगस लग गया. शरीर में भी फंगस लग गया.
I'm Aishman Singh. I'm from Bihar. My dad is a professor here. We have shifted here just 2 years ago.
What is the most unreliable during monsoon? Plants or umbrellas?
Plans.
How many umbrellas have you lost till now?
Till now I have lost more than 10.
More than 10.
In basically while going out and most in Marina. अभी तक मैंने तो बस 2 और फैमिली ने बहुत जगह
What is the weirdest thing you have used to protect yourself from rain?
The weirdest thing is my school bag.
You ever cancelled your plans because of
Yeah, actually we were going to Ooty. The weather was clean. It was very nice. As we were gonna go out of the house, suddenly the rain came and our plan got
cancelled?
Yeah.
Have you ever trusted the weather app and regretted it?
Yeah, of course, this weather app is very, very bad. Me and my friends had planned that we will go to City Arena and play PS5 and football. In the weather app, it was like till 8 o'clock in night, still it is not gonna rain. But at 4 p.m. only it started raining too heavy and
What is your biggest umbrella fail story?
I had a big umbrella. I was just roaming here in the rain. After many days the rain had come and the rain was too heavy that when I was holding the umbrella broke and flew away.
Have you ever shared an umbrella with a stranger?
Once there was an old lady who was on the road. She was actually coming from the Kasturba hospital. She was a type of worried. Her face was looking like that. So, and it even started, first it was just dripping and then it started raining. So I just saw her and I asked her that, Auntie, ninge help beko, thank you, and all she told me, and I shared with her once.
Have you got fully drenched and pretended it was fine?
Yeah, I was actually coming from school. My mom is so strict. She doesn't. I already had the umbrella. I still did not use it because I wanted to get wet. And it was fun to become wet in the rain. Mama asked me, Ayushman, ये क्या किया तुमने, कैसे भीग गए? Told to my mom that माँ कुछ भी नहीं होता है, एक बार मैं भीगा हूँ, अब क्या? So it was like that, and I got a bit of scoldings.
What is the funniest rain excuse you have used?
Tuition. I was gonna go to the tuition, and it was my mock test. I just told my dad I don't want to go. It's too much rainy.
Complete the sentence. Rain is fun until dash.
Until you get wet.
Or you have school the next.
Actually, whenever rain comes, the best thing is if it is too heavy, we get the message in the night that we don't have school and the school is cancelled, and the whole day we seeing TV and doing some homework of school, and like that only the 4 months of monsoon go away.
Without going to
But
school.
when it's monsoon, we think that why is it there? But now when it's summer, we think that why the rain is not coming. But still, yesterday it was a heavy rain.
I'm Niveda. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm doing masters in public health
Rate the rain from 1 to I need a boat.
in Manipal.
Yes.
Might be 8.
And have you? How long have you been staying in Manipal?
Yes, 1.5 years.
So you have experienced the rain. in
Yeah,
Manipal.
obviously.
Okay. Chai or coffee during rain?
Coffee.
Wet jeans or wet socks? Which is worse?
With socks.
Maggie or pakoda during rain?
Maggie.
Auto or walking in the rain?
Walking in the rain.
Rainy romance or rainy trauma?
Okay, more happened as rainy trauma. Maybe imagination, rainy romance. Yeah.
Do you love rain or hate it?
Love rain.
Rainy day nap or rainy day outing?
Oh, I like both. It depends. Might be night, I guess, rainy day out. In the day, rainy day nap.
What is your monsoon mood? Peaceful or irritated?
Peaceful.
You like monsoon.
Obviously, I'm not a sun person. I hate sun for some reason.
Describe monsoon in one word.
Serene.
Serene. What is your craziest experience during monsoon?
I do have so many. I mean, the worst thing is, I was walking in the pathway and then one car just splashed water. Yeah, it was during in my school days. I was going to my school.
Hi.
Hello,
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure.
my name is Firoz Irani.
My name is Ashrik Reddy.
Where are you from and what do you do?
I'm from Mumbai and I'm doing my internship in Wells Fargo.
I'm from Hyderabad and I'm running a very successful startup right now.
And how long have you been here in Manipal?
3 years.
Yeah, 3 years, same.
Have you experienced the Manipal monsoon?
Of course, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's really good. Umbrella.
Sometimes you can forget to take your bag or sometimes
Yeah.
you can, but umbrella you can never
Umbrella
forget.
never
You
forget.
have to take it every
Yeah.
time.
This is like a tent for like 3 or 4 people. I carry this for like the entire friend group.
What song plays in your head when it rains?
Mine is like, even though I have the umbrella, mine is a bit more panicky. I'm like, bag, dike bol.
What's your funniest monsoon memory?
One time we were like, I was late for class, so I'm in MIT. We are both in MIT. So we were going from gate 2 to gate 1 in the auto, and there was a puddle nearby. So as soon as we got in the auto, we closed the shutter, but a car went by too quick and they splashed the puddle. And in between the shut area and the driver's side open area, the whole thing came on us. Even with the whole thing closed. And then we showed up to class fully drenched in like mud water.
Tell us your main character moment in the rain.
Oh.
Like you saved someone or like
Saved
did some heroic
someone.
movement. Or...
I think I cycled back from there to there in rain because my perm time was getting over. So I had to catch the gate timing because I didn't want to get blacklisted from hostel. So I had to go on time. That was one thing. Very fast I cycled in rain. That's one thing.
I didn't have a heroic moment. I had like a sad moment where I'm just sitting. There was a student council election which I had lost. So I came out. There was a place in MIT which is like empty. So I took off my suit and I was sitting there, like opened my button, rolled up the sleeves. I'm just sitting there in the rain, like, happens.
John Wick.
Yeah.
What is the most dramatic thing that happened to you in rain?
I think this was yesterday only. I just woke up and was studying for exam. Then I was like, about to get the motivation. Thunderstorm started happening. I was like, एक दिन पढ़ लिया इतना हो गया.
और पढ़ेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा?
क्या हो जाएगा? इसलिए नहीं पढ़ता मैं.
If monsoon was a person, how toxic would it be?
I think it would be pure like Manipal weather.
Yeah, unpredictable.
Unpredictable and pure.
Don't know what will happen. Yeah.
So if you had to rate the toxicity like 1 on 10, so 10 being most toxic.
Thunderstorm maybe 5. Apart from that, it's all good.
Yeah.
4.
Somewhere like 5 or 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. What's your favorite thing about rain?
I think the smell and the nice vibe and the
earthy
weather.
smell.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
I think the weather gets cooled on it.
What is your least favorite thing about rain?
Oh, I can't play sports. That's the worst thing.
Yeah.
I want to play sports and it rains and I can't play sports. That's the worst thing.
What's the rain smells remind you of?
I think freshness and nature and
Mud. It smells like mud.
What's one monsoon habit you have?
don't go out when it's raining. Mostly because I'll get wet and cold.
Rainy day comfort food.
Hot dosa.
Coffee or something? Hot coffee. I don't have anything.
What is your favorite moment in Manipal? In rain?
I have recently been here to Manipal, like January only, so it will be my first experience of rain.
Oh, you're studying it?
And it's a wrap on Manipal monsoon madness. From losing umbrella to people accepting their fate, one thing is clear, that Manipal monsoon has a story. So please share with us your funniest monsoon story and also comment below which story did you relate the most. Till then, stay dry or at least try, and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.